Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I'm excited to show you around our lovely 2019 19-plate Range Rover Velar. Now this is a 180D, it's the R-Dynamic S, so you get the more aggressive body styling, the more pronounced front and rear bumpers, nice colour-coded side skirts. We've got a larger alloy wheel on this one, nice roof bars, so it's a semi-black package which makes this car look fantastic against the lovely Corris grey paintwork. Now this is a 180, so it's 180 brake horsepower, 2 litre diesel, fantastic engines, only need servicing every 2 years or 21,000 miles, and coupled with the 8-speed automatic box, it's an absolute delight to drive. So we've got LED daytime running lights to the front, and we've got the headlamp wash just above those. We've got front and rear parking sensors on this vehicle. The alloy wheels, we're riding on these lovely 20-inch multi-spokes finished in the gloss black to obviously match all the lower environments of the car, your side blades, your bonnet vents, mirror caps, and then obviously these lovely roof bars as well. We've got the option of the panoramic glass roof, which is a fantastic option to have and just gives a sense of occasion inside the cabin. But looking around the car, looking down the side of the car, you'll struggle to find any sort of dents or dings. This is a nice example that's truly been cherished by the previous owners. We've got gloss black detailing then to the rear plinth on your lower diffuser with just a bit of silver detailing to break it up. We've got a reversing camera which is found just there. Electric tailgate, so just press of a button and that glides up like so. We've got the parcel shelf present, so that's a sliding one. We've got split folding rear seats if you ever need more room. Down here you'll find a space saver spur wheel, which again is a lovely thing to have. Most of these vehicles come with tyre inflation kits. We've got a 12-volt power outlet there, so ideal if you're looking to do longer journeys or camping. You can keep a cool box in the back there. But any angle that you look at it from, it's a fantastic looking vehicle. Obviously door handles, they pop in as you're driving the car or when it's locked. Press the unlock button once, that will open the driver's door. Press it again, that will open all the doors, including the tailgate as well. Now inside, part leather interior with a few suede cloth inserts, which I think look fantastic. So we've got the perforated leather in the centres. We've got contrasting white stitch all throughout the car. Nice bolsters there. Now, because they're made of suede instead of the leather, they'll wear in miles better than a leather seat would. Looking into the cabin then, we've got a full leather multifunction steering wheel with a nice little silver band in there. We've got lots of gloss black detailing, bright silver inserts all throughout the car. We've got electric seats, aluminium kick plates. We've also got our floor mats there. Driver's three-way memory, which is ideal if you're looking to share the car with a partner. You can be driver 1, your partner can be driver 2. Press of a button, that will fully adjust the seat to exactly the way you want it. We've got Meridian Sound System. We've got park folding mirrors, 4 electric windows with the child lock for the rear. Now what we'll do is we'll jump inside and I'll show you through some of the features inside of here. So once you're inside the cabin, you're greeted with this lovely leather multifunction wheel. On there you've got these nice little gloss black displays which do change when you press the buttons to different things. So we've got menu on there now. So on here you've got your limiter, lane departure warning, you've got all the settings for the limiter. We've got our main menu, volume and media controls, Bluetooth phone, so when someone's calling you, you'll have a decline and an answer on there. You've got shortcut buttons and you've also got your voice command. Now, as we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered 39,974 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Coming through to the centre display, we've got our satellite navigation, media, telephones on there, When you flick the car into reverse, the reversing camera pops up. Then you've got your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, web browsers, vehicle dimensions, voice command, 4x4 information. That's all found up on there. Then down here you've got a secondary display, so this is for your climate control settings, your heated front screen. You've got heated front seats as well. All your vehicle settings and the dynamic drive select. And then you've also got your settings as well, which you can tweak. Central cup holders, so that's that there. We've got a central scroll wheel for obviously the gearbox. Original Land Rover keys, and we've got both of them. Central armrests with 2 USBs, 1 micro input and a 12-volt power outlet. All the books which were supplied with the car from new are still in there today. We've got all the controls for the panoramic roof, so you've got a blind on that as well, so you can close the blind up if you choose to do so. Looking at the rear seats, they're in fantastic order. So we've got a central armrest, Isofix either side. I'll just jump in the back to give you a better view of the seats. So in the back here, seats are in fantastic order. We've got a central armrest with 2 cup holders. We've got vents there, 12-volt power outlet for your phone charging. But a lovely, lovely car throughout. So, if you'd like any more information on this vehicle, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.